This is the elevator at Dick's Sporting Goods inside the Destiny USA Mall, Syracuse, New York. Let's go to two. Let's go back down the one. Here's your cab view. Pretty basic elevator. Schindler 330A. Also, I just realized someone messed up. February 31st. But there it says February 28th. Let's end it up at 2. There's the report from the last inspection. It says installed in 2012, 2,500 pound capacity. It's said right here. Let's watch the button go out. Ring bell. Here's the upper level of the store. Anyway, there it goes. And that'll be it.